Hello and good morning to one and all present today in this book conference room. I'm very, very happy to welcome all of you to this crucial gathering. I am Jeet Sen from MG Consulting, and I'm here to share an exciting vision for the future of NW Financial Solutions. So, before we start, I want to ask you two simple questions. How often do you find yourself frustrated with stacks of paper and disorganized files slowing down your day, right? And how much time do you spend searching for misplaced documents every day at work? I know the majority feel me. So today we are going to find out a solution to all these problems and we'll explore it through how digital transformation can revolutionize our business. So let's dive straight into the point. Okay, so before we move on, we will be talking about what exactly MJ Consultancy is all about and how we can provide more value to the company, right? So we specialize in guiding businesses like yours through complexities of digital transformation. We bring varied amount of insights and strategic expertise, all tailor made for each business. Every two problems, every two solutions is not the same. So we will be bringing it to your table how digital transformation will make you ahead of the game. And we will be here supporting you in every step of the process to make sure you as a company stay at a competitive edge in today's digital world or a fast-paced digital landscape. Okay, so moving on, I know many people here are scared of change. Change is inevitable, and that is the only constant in life. And I'm confident that the current changes, which I will suggest, will bring about a lot of advantages onto the table after end of the uh, presentation today. So, NW Financial Solution is heavily reliant on paper-based documentation. Would you agree? I know, yeah, that is the case. And this overdependence is a major problem for a lot of reasons, for several reasons. And so I would be talking about the three things which, is a problem in the current working scenario as of now, is that the manual handling of such amount of paperwork is highly risky and the risk of errors increase. Okay, and also the employees spend too much of time managing and correcting paperwork, especially during audits or when especially when there is a backlog, right? And locating these documents is also a major problem which arises. So this is few of the problems which the company faces right now is what I feel, and hence I'm here at this podium to make certain changes or suggestions which will be for the betterment of the company in terms of digital transformation. Okay, so imagine how we use technology in our everyday lives. We no longer write letters, we write emails. We no longer carry cash with us. We use our cards, or maybe the we just tap our phones to make a transaction happen. So these are all examples of digital transformation. So for NW, a financial solution, this means moving from the paper-based platform to integrating components like QuickBooks and Tableau and security platform like cybersecurity things and data annotation, SQL and SAP to provide a much robust foundation for digital advancement. So in this way, just like any one of you present in this room, we use our apps on the mobile to simplify tasks. These apps, which I just mentioned, will also help you grow as a business, make your everyday life easier, and also provide more security to the company. Okay, so now we will be talking about how embarking on this digital journey will bring numerous benefits to NW Financial Solutions, making our daily lives easier and more efficient. Okay, so imagine how much time we save using a GPS instead of unfolding a paper map, right? Similarly, digital tools will reduce manual tasks and streamline the processes, allowing us to focus on the more meaningful works. Okay, secondly, I will give you another example how banking apps provide real time updates and secure transactions, giving a peace of mind, right? And also the security. So, by moving to digital platforms like these, we will safeguard client information with robust security or rather cyber security measures, ensuring that the trust and compliance is in place. Okay. And lastly, like we use any other online learning platforms which provides opportunities for skill development for any individual. Similarly, for a company, if we uh, use the most out of this digital transformation tools, it will offer training, enabling us, rather the employees like you, to grow professionally and also take on new challenges. This journey will empower and also advance every one of you who is present in this room. In life, anywhere, any goal we have to achieve or dream of has to be a structured process, like like a roadmap, so that we reach our goals and also ensure that the journey of reaching the goal is smooth. So in it is the same as to what a digital transformation journey is. We also have to follow the same structured process for a smooth journey, right? So what do we have to do? Firstly, we have to initially set up and train and invest in the right platforms so that we benefit and out of it, right? And it also gives a competitive edge. So, firstly, we'll have to set up. Secondly, we will have to be clear on how these digital tools, are, and also train our staffs so that they can make the most out of it, right? And lastly, we have to have a strong IT team which acts as a backbone to support our digital infrastructure and also providing the same reassurance as having tech support for your gadgets which you use in your personal daily lives. So, like any other major transitions in life, we will face some initial challenges, but we will have to clear that obstacle. So the few of the major challenges which might occur are how the initial costs look like, uh, how do we add the past paperwork which has been over the passage of time, how do we make all of that into the digital file, whether every one of you here will accept to the new changes or there will be people who will resist to it, and what are the security challenges affecting the change, right? So we'll have to, these are the few of the changes which, or rather the challenges which will crop up, and yeah, we'll have to overcome them. So now we will see how to overcome these challenges, right? That is what we have been waiting for. So, firstly, we have to implement a comprehensive change management strategy to address resistance. Just like any one of y'all encourage your family members to embrace a new fitness routine by highlighting the best parts or the benefits that will be provided. Similarly to that, we have to address the resistance part of it, right? And then we have to develop a detailed data migration plan with clear steps and timelines. The past paperwork data, how do we convert that into a new digital file? We'll have to do. So is like that is like similar to planning, I mean, a new home, ensuring all records are organized and nothing is lost back at the previous home, right? So that is how we connect. And we will also have to prioritize critical areas for initial investment and gradually expand, right? And it is like renovating the most important parts of your house first, then tackling other areas, because funds are limited. That is the crucial issue. And lastly, we also have to invest in advanced security technologies, right? So that is also like how you spend high quality your money on high quality alarm system to keep your house safe. So similarly, we'll have to protect the entire digital system which we have created or we will create, so that has to be protected, right? So yeah, so these steps can ensure a smooth and secure transition. So now we will be looking at how the future planning is going to be like, right? It is going to be long, but at the same time it should be rewarding. So we will be establishing advanced CRS systems and AI-driven analytics to gain deeper insights into the client needs. We will also invest in scalable cloud solutions and modular digital platforms that can grow with the company. And we will also be focusing on talent development and retention to drive our digital strategy forward. It's like nurturing and training a team for Olympics, for an Olympic match, or for a football game. It's similar to that. We have to do that. So, so I want to conclude by saying that we are not just adapting to the change, we are setting the stage for a much brighter and more innovative future. Together, you and me, we will transform NW Financial Solutions into a global leader by implementing digital accountancy and financial servicing tools, ensuring a long term success and growth. Let's embrace this journey with enthusiasm and commitment. Let's get on board. We look forward to partnering with you on this transformative journey. Thank you once again.